been having some trouble with my headlights. They're starting to get that craze. That kind of sounds ridiculous, but they got like a yellow haze over them for the UV light from the sun. Just like deteriorating the plastic. So I'm gonna have to go. That's actually where I'm going now. I'm gonna do one of those 3M headlight restoration kits. And then I'm gonna put some clear coat over the end of it. And hopefully it'll last long. Cause like it's to the point where like nighttime driving, I kind of have to have my brights on in order to see like extremely far. Because with just the regular headlights, I can maybe see 30 feet in front of me. So I'm gonna go pick up some of that stuff, and hopefully that'll work. I've been watching a lot of videos and stuff. Some people use a clear coat, some people don't. Some people wet sand, some people dry sand. There's like so much. I wish there was just one clear thing to do. I guess you just gotta figure it out for yourself, just like most other things. And if y'all haven't got a Senna yet, I have a Senna SMH10, the one with the removable microphone. It's the bomb. My buddy's got a I don't really know what it is. It's one of the newer ones. I can't remember the name of it, but we talk to each other when we ride, and it completely changes the game of riding. Like, so much better. Unless right now I'm listening to music. And in my last video where I'm just like cruising through Townsend and stuff, you can hear the music. So I like to ride with, especially for like a long time, I usually wear earplugs. Not only to save my hearing, but it also makes the exhaust note like deeper, so it just sounds cooler to me. I don't know, just like those little things. It get hot too, like miserable with all the humidity. It's the only thing I don't like about the South is the dang humidity, but it's like that even up north, but it's worse. Also, another reason I don't really make a whole lot of videos is because for me it's hard to find stuff to talk about. I mean, hell, and like my normal, it's like me as a person, I don't talk a lot anyways. Not pull out in front of me. How about that? Thanks. Oh, and another thing, me and my friend Chad, who I ride with, I actually got him into riding, but we went to MotoGP in Austin, Texas this year, and it was fantastic. If you ever get a chance to go watch a MotoGP race in person, absolutely take it. That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. So not only was it MotoGP, but the Moto America guys were there too racing. It was incredible. So we go to MTSU. We drove from MTSU on Friday night. We left about 1 o'clock. It was afternoon, not in the morning. We left about 1 o'clock, drove all the way, only stopped for gas. It took us 13 something hours to get to Austin, Texas. We stayed with a family member of his at 2. Went to sleep, got up at 5, then got to the racetrack to watch all the practices and qualifying and the Moto American guys do their practice. It was cool. Like, that's the best thing I've ever done road trip wise. Alright, well that stuff was kind of expensive. It was like 40 bucks. So I got that restoration kit, it was like 30 bucks. And then the Rust-Oleum, or not Rust-Oleum, but the Duplicolor paint was like 8 bucks. That, and I don't ever like to ride in somebody's blind spot. I always find myself there. I don't care if a cop's around, I'll speed up. Yeah, my mom asked me to go pick up some chicken. So I'm gonna go to Walmart and pick up some chicken. Alright, got me some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Mom's gonna make us some dinner. It's gonna be good. Gotta go where he stole my headlights, or at least attempt to. We'll see how that goes. Oh, please don't turn yellow. We're golden. And if you ever wonder why it's so windy on my videos, it's because this windscreen on this bike puts the wind right in your face. It's as if you're riding a naked bike, pretty much. It needs to be a little higher, or the angle just needs to change. But like how it is right now, that's why you always hear wind. Like there's nothing you can do about it. And then I get a little crackling in my microphone sometimes. That's because GoPro's stupid adapter is like 1.5 inches long. It sticks out the side, and they don't make a 90-degree one. And I have tried to make a 90-degree one before, and my hands are not steady enough to solder. That something that small, I just couldn't do it. Like, I don't have steady hands. Funny, I don't have steady hands, but like when I'm riding a bike or I'm flying an airplane, I'm like perfectly calm all the time. It's crazy. Speaking of flying, so I have my private pilot certificate and I have an instrument rating, and I have my commercial pilot certificate. Well, I have that check ride July the 2nd, so July the 2nd, I will become a commercial pilot and can fly for money doing certain things. And then, so after I get my commercial in July, I go back to school in August, and I'll be working on my certified flight instructor certificate so I can start teaching and building hours and making money doing what I like to do, which is fly airplanes. But yeah, so I'm gonna go start working on those headlights and see how that gets me. So thanks for watching. Peace.